Welcome to Learn SkillSync IT Solutions Agency. We are not just an IT solutions agency, we are architects of digital transformation.
Hello and welcome to this introductory lecture. If you are new to Linux, then you might ask yourself that why should you learn Linux? What's in it for you? Well, how about this? It's a fast growing operating system. It is inexpensive and highly flexible. Almost all the key organizations in IT industry, including Google, use variations of Linux to power their servers. Linux is also a major player in the small and mid-sized server field, and it's an increasingly viable platform for workstation and desktop use as well. By understanding Linux, you will increase your standing in the job market. Even if you already know Windows or Mac OS and your employee uses these systems exclusively, understanding these systems or Linux will give you an edge when you are looking for a new job or you are looking for a promotion. Linux Professional Institute, LPI as it is known, has developed its LP1 certification as an introductory certification for people who want to enter careers involving Linux. And let me just pull up their website over here. So the address is lpi.org or linuxprofessionalinstitute.org, and I have clicked on LP1, and over here we can see that its prerequisite is none, and you have to pass two exams, exam number 101 and 102. And if I bring it down a little bit, we can see that these are the exam topics which are covered